guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is the box, you guys. There we go. I did purchase a brand new handbag. So if you remember my handbag video, when I did my collection video of all my handbags, I mentioned that my pochette Matisse was defective. The glazing was melting. I had problems, especially on the strap. So recently I took a trip to Louis Vuitton in Houston. We went for the spring break with the kids, and I took my pochette Matisse with me. And you know, I basically asked, because mine was made in 2015, and you know, like I said, the glazing was melting, and especially on the strap it was just very bad. So I took my bag, I took it into the store, and I went to the Louis Vuitton in Galleria, Houston Galleria, and lady looked it over and she goes, yeah, we can exchange for the brand new one, but the problem is we don't have it. So I kind of expected the fact that they wouldn't have the bag, because I know how difficult it is to get the pochette Matisse. So she goes like, you can look at the leather ones. They had all the colors with the leather pochette Matisse, and I did try them on. But as we were driving there, I was thinking to myself, I had this bag for almost what, 3-4 years, and I'm thinking to myself, maybe I used it to death. Like, if you remember the condition of my bag, I really used it up. So I was thinking to myself, maybe I should just go with something else. So that's what I did, you guys. So I end up exchanging. Probably if they had a brand new bag like the pochette Matisse, I probably would swap it for the brand new one, because I honestly do love that bag. But since they didn't have it, I kind of look around the store, and I had some handbags on my wish list. So basically I end up purchasing a new one, and let me show you. So it comes in this beautiful box as usual, and the bag that I've picked, you guys, is dun, da, da, da. So I think this is called my Lockme. I'll double check on the paperwork just a second. But this bag, you guys, is very similar to pochette Matisse. It is slightly longer, and I'm talking slightly. So I did try a black leather pochette Matisse, but I don't know, I tried pochette Matisse and I tried this, and I really like this one better. I wasn't crazy about the gold hardware on the black leather. I don't know, it just for some reason does not work for me. So I love the look of the silver. I still have a protective sticker on it. So this is LV turn lock, as you can see here, and it's all silver tone, and it comes with this little, there's no key. Oh, there it says Louis Vuitton right here. There's no key. This is just like a key ring, so you can, I guess, attach some keys if you want to, but there's no key that comes with this bag. So I don't know, it's just, I guess I'll have to just kind of flip it on this side. I don't know, but anyway, so this is just a very simple front, and it's a kind of an envelope style, as you can see in here. And then it has very similar feature to the pochette Matisse. It has a zipper, which is perfect for, I usually put a cell phone in my pochette Matisse in here. So as you can see, this is how far my hand will go. So pretty much, you know, most of my hand. And then there, obviously, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. There we go. And I still have a protective sticker on this. So this is very simple black. And again, this is all nicely folded. There's no feet, obviously, because it's a small crossbody bag. There we go. And then let me show you inside. So like I mentioned, it's a crossbody, so it comes with a strap. And the strap, the leather is so soft, you guys. It's, you know, I asked if the new pochette Matisse are still the, you know, the strap is as kind of stiff and hard, you know, almost like a whip. And she goes like, yeah, unfortunately they're still pretty stiff, but this one is all leather. Obviously it's a very nice sapple leather. I forgot to ask what kind of leather it is, but I put it on the longest setting. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustable settings. I put it in the longer one because I like to wear it crossbody. And you have some lobster claw right there, and as you can see it says LV, and if you turn around it says LV as well. There we go, so they're about the same. So this is how you open up. So the inside of the bag, I know it will be hard to tell, it's all black microfiber, kind of a suede like material. It's very similar to what was in the pochette Matisse. I think this is more suede than man-made material, but anyway, so you have a little pocket right in there. Okay, and then you have a main compartment right here, which is pretty generous. There's another compartment which is a little bit smaller in here, and then there's a little slip pocket right here in the middle, and there are 2 more pockets, you guys. I hope you can tell there's 2 more slip pockets right here. So there's a lot of room. I feel like there is more room in this bag than in my pochette Matisse. Let's see. Oh, outside calf leather. There we go. Now it makes clear what's inside. So it's a calf skin leather and the textile lining. So yeah, it's probably similar to the what was in the pochette Matisse. So I feel like it's very generous, you know, guys. This, you can easily fit full-size wallet, and yeah, it feels like there is a lot of room. And I asked the sales associate about them. I'm gonna take the sticker off so it's gonna be more shiny and pretty. I asked sales associate about the durability of the leather, and she said it's very durable. She said it still might get a little scratch, so you gotta be careful, but it shouldn't be like problems with sagging or anything like that. And yeah, I really like it. So here is the handle, and the way you attach the strap, let's see, she said to put it right in here. So there we go. So you use those little rings on the both sides to attach the strap, and of course you can, you know, you can do it, you can keep it on the shortest setting, so then you can put as your, there we go, that's how it looks like. So you can, you know, use it more as a shoulder bag, or the way I have it set up is a perfect crossbody for me. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's so cute. And you know, I don't have any Louis Vuitton leather bags. This is like a very first time, you know, that I have a leather bag. I used to have a leather bag, but I sold it. So this one is really, it's been a while since I had a full leather bag. So I think it's really cute. I did try the one with like a cream, like this outside pocket. As you can see, there's a little pocket here. So this outside pocket was like a cream, and the rest was black. So I did try that combination on, and I didn't like it. So I thought the full black leather looked just so stylish, looked so beautiful, and I feel like this bag could be quite dressy and at the same time could be quite casual. So it's really depend how you're gonna wear it, what you're gonna pair it with. So I feel like it's a win-win situation. It was more expensive than a pochette Matisse. So let me tell you guys exactly. So by the way, they now have a smaller receipts. It used to be like a big long receipt. Now they have a much smaller receipt. It's still this kind of orangey yellow color. And let's see. Okay, so I've got a credit for pochette Matisse. It was $1,830, and this is my Lockme Noir. So it's in a black color, because they had I think Lockme BB, which is a little bit it was a little bit smaller than this, and had a chain kind of like a boy bag that had a little bit of the, it was a little bit of the leather, and then it was a chain. But it wasn't, to be honest with you, I like this one so much better. So it's slightly bigger and slightly bigger than the pochette Matisse, so fits a lot more. And I like the leather strap rather than the chain. I thought this just suits me so much better. So this is the my Lockme, and the code is M54849, and the price for this bag was $2,970. So yeah, I had to pay a little bit over $1,000 extra. You know, obviously it's a leather bag, so I knew it's gonna cost more money, but yeah, I'm actually very happy with the purchase. I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys about the whole exchange process if you are interested. What I didn't like and what I didn't expect, because you know, I wasn't 100% set on the fact that I'm not gonna get pochette Matisse. I thought maybe I'll get the store credit, and if I don't find anything that I liked, I would be able to get something in the future. The lady at the store was very kind of strict, and she said there's no credit for the future. You need to pick a bag right now, like today or within 2 days or something. Like she was very kind of pushy and very strict, and that's what I didn't like, you guys. So I thought, if you're taking this as a defective product, you should give me the chance to kind of shop around and make up my mind. Like, I don't want to be put on the spot. But basically that's what happened. Like she told me that I have to just use up this credit today, and I asked if the nearby store has a pochette Matisse, that maybe I could get it, and she said even if they have it, they're not gonna bring it to me, which I thought it was ridiculous. So it was kind of a bummer, because I felt that I was kind of put on a spot. And to be honest with you guys, if I have to pick something that I just don't want or don't wish to have it, just because I have to pick something, I'll be very upset. So I'm happy that they had this bag, and just the fact that this bag did work for me, and I'm very, you know, very happy with that purchase. My husband said it was very nice. He didn't see me picking this because he went with the boys to the museum, some kind of plain museum at the same time, so I could actually go and do my, you know, do my business. But anyway, I'm very happy that I was able to find this, and that I'm happy. But again, if I'll have to pick something just to pick something, I think I'll be very, very upset. So I did not really like the way they proceed with, you know, with the whole situation. So just be aware that if you are in the situation that your bag is defective and they're gonna do exchange, they really not gonna give you a store credit, because that's what I really expected to have, because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna find something that I like. So anyway, long story short, I got the bag. Yes, I had to pay some extra money, but I do like it. So yeah, let me guys know, what do you think? I think it's a very similar to pochette Matisse, very, very similar. I feel like it's maybe a little bit low-key because it doesn't have the monogram, and you know, this is pretty much the only thing that will tell you that it's LV, and those who knows, they will recognize. So will I get the pochette Matisse? Maybe at some point in the future. Anyway, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my Lockme, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. What do you think about the new bag? And I'm very happy, and I'm gonna start using it right away. All right guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.